This is Brad A. Milford with the Unlimited Wisdom Podcast, where business owners making mid five figures or more share their wisdom. It's 6 questions in 9 minutes because transforming possibility leads to reality. So let's get to it. Question number one. In a few sentences, tell me who you are and what you do.
I'm Leticia Burkhalter, or Tisha Burkhalter, and I'm a professional assistant. I help basically entrepreneurs and businesses keep their stuff together. I make more time for you, and we watch both of us grow.
I love it. I love it. More time for me. I dig it.
Yep.
Question number two. What's the best thing about being in business?
Well, it's just business. That's just fun and kind of exciting. But being in business for me, I enjoy it because it's just for me. It's exactly what I want to do. It's exactly what I enjoy doing. And that allows so much flexibility and growth and success personally, but then with others, because the interaction, we're able to grow together. So it's just something that I love doing. It's success. So
I love it. I love it. Question number three. We hear from other successful business owners, just like yourself, that they're getting so much business that the chaos can sometimes cause overwhelm. Tell me your thoughts on that, Tisha.
oh, I completely agree. We see it all the time because sometimes you grow too fast, or you grow outside of your calendar. Kind of you hit the limits of what you can handle. And so it's good, it's growth, but if you do that very long, then it's not going to be growth. So it happens, and I'm not trying to, push anything, but then you holler at me and we make sure you keep growing, and I take over some of your work. So again, what am I doing? Giving you your time back.
I love it. I love it. Nothing like self-promoting. It's a great thing. I love it. That's what this is all about. That's why we're here. I love it. Question number four. What other successful owners, such as yourself, should be on the Unlimited Wisdom podcast?
Well, obviously the Miss Famous Jessica. I love Jessica O. So that's always one of my first ones. And then there's always Gabe. Gabe Arnold is incredible. And then maybe another one that's he's getting stuff done is Ken Nichols. So those are some of them that I like to watch and learn from and be a part of.
Love it. I love it. Thank you very much for that. Question number five. Let's get to the crux of the whole wisdom thing. So what other wisdom would you share with business owners?
They seriously need to continue to believe in themselves, but believe in the power of working with others and growing and finding the reality of successful growth, that it is partnerships, and it is being willing to keep expanding and learning and finding that great basically it's a trust, just your camaraderie, trust, and expansion.
I love it. So what you're saying there is something that's a little bit greater than themselves. That's what I hear, and the confidence that that's required to be able to do that. Is that kind of what you're saying?
Yeah, that's exactly it. And you have to have the confidence in yourself that you trust your choices in other people, so y'all can grow, or so we can grow, because we can only do so much. So as a person, as the small business. So have the faith that you're making wise choices, make those wise choices, and just do it.
I love it. I love it. That's great advice. Thank you very much. And question number six, what's the most fun vacation that you've ever had?
Oh gosh, probably one of our later ones. The family, and not kind of extended family, we took my mom and dad, we drove down to Florida. So the drive, we drive and we explore and we stop. And so that's fun. And then we get down there and just, explore some more. So we like to do that. We like to get out and just see what we can find and learn.
I love it. You're from Oklahoma, right?
From Oklahoma. So that's a pretty good
Oklahoma to Florida. That's a nice little haul.
We've also done it to South Dakota. So that was beautiful too. And we stopped it everywhere between between here and the Black Hills. So it was fun.
I love it. Those are great family vacations. So thank you for being on, Tish. How can people find you? What's the website? What's the best way to reach out to you? How can people find you?
I have my website's tishaburkhalter.com. It is being rebuilt right now, but it should be up, I would say, within the next week. Probably at the most. I need to reach out, but I know it's coming back up pretty quickly. Otherwise, you can email me at leticiaburkhalter@gmail.com, or you can find me on Facebook.
Love it. Nice and easy. Business page or just straight Facebook?
Either one. Really, it's all the social media. I'm on Instagram. I'm on LinkedIn. So it's Leticia. Sometimes a couple of them I've got Tisha Burkhalter. Otherwise, you might have to go Leticia. It's Leticia. Can't make it easy.
I love it. I love it. I love it. It's always best to spell it out so people know.
Right.
This is Brad A. Milford with the Unlimited Wisdom Podcast, where business owners making mid-five figures or more share their wisdom globally. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.